Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla here again with some more information to give to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright, you see. Alright, so I got information that the bodies of a mother and her 4 children had been found at their home that is located within the parish of Clarendon, that's within the country of Jamaica, on the 21st of June, the year 2022. It is said that the bodies of the mother and her 3 daughters and her son was found with their throats slashed. According to information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the oldest of those children who died is said to be 15, and the youngest of those children who died is said to be more than 10 months old. Now, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica have named a person of interest in relation to the killing of the mother and her 4 children. It is said that the police within the country of Jamaica are looking for a person who goes by the name of Roshane Barnett. It is said that he's in his 20s. It is said that he frequents a place that is known as Cocoa Piece in Clarendon. It is also said that he also frequents a place that is known as Wilson Run in Trelawney. And it is said that he also frequents a place that is known as Papine in St. Andrew, Jamaica. See? Yeah, it is said that he is believed to be a family member of those persons who died. It is said that he is believed to be a cousin of the mother who lost her life. Now, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica allegedly chased a motor vehicle who they believe might have transported the person of interest from one location to another who goes by the last name of Barnett. Now, allegedly, it is said that the motor vehicle that the police chased is said to be a taxi. And allegedly, it is said that the police somehow made the driver stop the motor vehicle and questioned the driver. I didn't get any confirmed information if the driver had been arrested. No, I did not. But it is said that the person had been questioned by the police and that the driver gave statement. See? Now, there are pictures circulating on social media that shows a man, and allegedly on social media, those pictures are circulating claiming to show the man that is named as a person of interest by the police within the country of Jamaica. I'm not going to present any of those pictures to you, my viewers and subscribers, because when it comes down to information on social media, you have to be very careful. You understand? And I also saw videos on social media that shows politicians from within the country of Jamaica talking about this whole situation. Yeah, politicians like Mr. Chang and Robert Morgan. You understand? But I think here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Just to give you some information about the whole situation. And you can always check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know. And if so on, I will do another video to update this whole situation if possible. Alright? Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up yourself. Is it?